Day 4, 75 hard challenge. The second time I'm going through the challenge, and it's bringing back a lot of great memories, let me tell you that. Because a lot of people think, including myself when I was about to do this challenge again, how am I going to find the time to work out twice a day? How am I going to consciously remember to drink a gallon of water throughout the day when I'm doing all of these different things? How am I going to fit in 10 pages of a nonfiction book while running my business, while being with my family, while working a full-time job? Whatever your reason might be, a lot of people have asked me, or they've said to me, I should say, well, Brandon, I just don't have the time to do these things. Brandon, I would love to take this challenge because I can resonate with the different benefits that it would bring me, the mental toughness, the physical improvement, but I just don't have the time. I'm a busy person, I got a busy life. Let me tell you something, guys. No matter what situation you're in right now, family, full-time job, business, community services, clubs and groups that you're a part of, whatever your life looks like, you have the time to fit in the 75 Hard Challenge. And really the whole premise of this is you have the time to fit in anything that would be good for your life. It's not about asking, will I have the time? It's about asking, how can I make time for this? On day 2, it was already a struggle for me, right? The whole point of this challenge is you've got to do 2 workouts a day. One must be outside. They're both 45 minutes long, and they have to be separated 3 hours in the middle of each workout. It has to be 3 hours. And the whole purpose of that, Andy Frisella says, is it's meant to be inconvenient. It's not meant to be easy. And the second day in, I had a long day, and I'm running a business while working a job as well. And at the end of the day, it was 8 p.m. and I knew I still had to get my second workout in, but I also knew I had to wake up at 4:30 a.m. the next day. So in my mind, I was just thinking to myself, this is going to be difficult. How am I going to do this? Is this worth it? Should I be doing this? Should I just give up, right? We all have these thoughts, but it doesn't mean we need to accept them. And you know what? I got home and I was miserable for a bit. I was frustrated, and my wife was like, just go in the extra bedroom and get the workout done. So I looked up a full body workout on YouTube, and I rocked that out for 45 minutes. And you know, the thing is, I felt so good once I started that workout. I felt good because I was moving my body. I got the blood flowing. I got the sweat going, right? But I felt good because I held myself to what I committed to. I kept my word to myself. And right now, if you don't think you have the time for 75 Hard, listen, you do. You just have to make the time, right? If you really don't think you have the time, write down everything that you do on a daily basis, from the moment you wake up to the moment you go to bed. And ask yourself, which of these things aren't essential to me? Is Netflix essential? Are these useless meetings and get-togethers essential? Or are you just in them to appear busy? Right? A lot of us are busy, but we're busy doing the wrong things. We're busy doing the things that aren't moving the needle for our life or our business or whatever it is we're looking to improve in. So you have the time for 75 Hard, and the benefits are going to outweigh the quote-unquote cons. So if you're on the fence of taking this challenge, just take the challenge. And let me tell you, it's not easy. I had a long day yesterday too. Podcasts, events, conversations, networking, admin stuff for my website, and all those different things. And while it sucks sometimes to go back outside and get your workout in, you make it work, right? You make it work with your schedule. Get up earlier. Get up at 5, get up at 6. If you're taking this challenge, it's because you are the 1%, right? The other 99% aren't taking this challenge. They're sleeping in. They're sleeping until 8. They're sleeping until 9. You take this challenge because you're different than them. You want more. You're driven. So the whole purpose of this is make the time. Find out what things you're doing that are not essential for your routine, not essential for your happiness and for your success, and eliminate them. Put them on your not to-do list, and instead fit in something that's going to be productive and constructive for you. So if you're on the fence for 75 Hard, get to it. If you're on the 75 Hard Challenge, I hope this sheds some light of how you can overcome this time paradox and the ultimate question of, do I have the time? The answer is yes. So get after it. Thanks for following my journey. I'm on day 4. I'm going to keep you updated, and I hope you guys have an incredible day. Talk to you soon.